So if you want to start streaming by using YouTube Studio, what you can do is on the left side, you can see that webcam is an option. So let's learn how we can live stream through a webcam right here in this video. So if I were to go around onto the webcam section, then here you can see that you can add in different details right here. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and say example right here, just like this. And you can add in a bit of description right here, just like as when you are posting a video. You can also go around and upload out a thumbnail of your choice by clicking over here, just like this. And then you can go around and upload out your thumbnail if you want to over here as well. You can go around and select a playlist, and you can choose whether you are going to let's say broadcast this for kids, and even work around with more options. So if I were to go around and press next, you have an option to enable live chat and live chat replay as well, but I'm just going to keep everything as it is and press next right here. So once I do that, I have the option to keep the visibility unlisted. That is, anyone with the link will be able to view the video, but the ones without won't be able to view. Public means everyone who's subscribed to the channel and who's unsubscribed to the channel will be able to view your live. And then if you were to make it private, then you can only let people who have the access to view the particular stream. So let me just go around and press done right here, and let's see what happens right here. So we are using webcam to create a stream right here, just like this. And then as I do that, you can see that you have an option to actually go around and choose which camera you want to go live from. So over here, you can see that I'm just going to go around and choose Droid Cam right here, and you can see the background video right here, just like this. You can see the video in the background, which will go live right here. And then you can select the audio source over here as well, and you can see the stream preview right here. But what happens is that if you haven't uploaded the thumbnail, you'll see the logo of your channel right there. So let me just go around over here and click on go live, and then what happens is that whatever you see from your camera, it will be going live right here. And then you are, when it says you're live, what happens is that the footage gets streamed out right here, just like this. And you'll be able to see like the sharing option right here. Like you can go around and mute out your audio over here as well. And when you're ready, you can just go around and then see like how many likes you got and like whether it is live and so forth, and then end the stream wherever you want. So here it says your stream will stop immediately and you'll no longer be live. So you can just go around and end this right here. And then what happens is that the stream ends just like that. And that is how you can stream using a webcam inside of YouTube Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.